So, welcome to the interview by NBB. We are delighted to have Mr. Vikas with us. Mr. Vikas is the CEO and co founder of Leher App, an online live streaming platform for video discussions. Vikas co founded commonflows.com in 2007 and he was awarded MIT Technology Reviewers 35 Innovators Under 35 in 2012. So, thank you very much for taking out time and addressing the audience of NBB. It means a lot to us. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. I hope that I'm able to bring some insights that the audience get really benefit from, and I definitely want all the audience on Leher.
I am sure you would. I for sure have come to it. So my first question to you is that the popularity of Leher has increased in the past 6 months. There are over 150,000 downloads across Android and iOS. And I believe the number of downloads has doubled. I mean, if I'm getting the number right, I would like to know, what do you attribute this success to?
So I think a lot of success for a revolutionary startup or a startup which is an innovation first domain is about timing, right? The
Right.
timing, because of the COVID scenario, because of multiple other social audio apps coming out, has
Right.
become very very conducive. So
Mm.
because till you have only one option, it's not an option. That is the exploration. When you have more than one option, that's when you start believing that this is a market and this is something that's going to be really amazing. And that's when the whole switch in the user's mind happens, saying, okay, look, wow, this is amazing, and this is something that somewhere I want to be, because that's where the future is. So I think that's where what is driving Leher. People are able to understand the need much better. People are coming with an open mind to explore it, and enough number of people are coming. For a network to really really do well, you need a lot of people to come in, and
Mm.
that's where the trigger happens, because people are coming with open minded, getting the experience, enough number of people at the same time, and the whole COVID scenario around. All these factors together is making this an amazing opportunity for us.
Right, right, right. That's right. I'm sure COVID played a huge role in this also. So Leher is an app that completely revolves around conversation, because in a world where people were used to liking, giving a heart, this one revolves around conversation, which is beyond just commenting and liking. So how was the idea conceived?
So you have to fundamentally understand none of your current social networks are social networks. They are all social media. Why
Yes.
do I say this? Because the whole construct of the current generation of social networks is that you post and people comment at it. So
Yeah.
it is just like you standing in the real world and just
Uh,
announcing something and people clapping at it or
yeah.
saying yeah, yeah, yeah kind of stuff, right?
Uh,
And that's the visualization you can see.
mm,
So in that kind of scenario, you can't really have great discussions or conversations.
mm.
What does socialization mean to you, by the way?
For me, socializing is, which I've really missed, is sitting with my friend and chatting with her over coffee or tea. That is
Right?
socializing, or meeting new people who share the same passion.
So you very clearly said meeting
Yeah.
people, passion, conversations,
Yeah.
discussions. You put this together, that's what social means.
Right.
Is it happening on your social networks today?
No, not at all.
And why are we even calling them social networks? There
Yeah.
is no social. It's just that
Activity.
they just brought your social graphs online and
Mm.
let you broadcast whatever you are up to in life to them, right? So
Yeah.
that's how it became social network, and very aptly turned from social network to social media, saying, okay, so you are socially connected and it's a
Yeah.
media for your broadcast. Fundamentally, as humans, we have a need of belonging. A need
Yes.
of belonging gets satisfied when we have new people that we meet around the
Mm.
things that we care about, and have great meaningful conversations. A meaningful conversation would be very different at different strata of the world,
Mm.
right? Right from talking about traffic, where you can bond, saying, "Okay, look, I suffered so much today," and there is so much empathy coming out, saying, "Same happened with me," or "Same happened with me," right? To see some really serious discussion about rockets and space science. All of
Mm.
these are various variety of discussions that you can really participate in, right?
Mm.
And all of this bring people together in the context
Mm.
that that's relevant to them. Today we did not have a place where you could do this,
Mm.
as also text as a medium isn't sufficient for the
Mm.
larger amount of population, because not everyone can be articulate and expressive in limited set of characters or a very long form, right? And
Right.
even language as a barrier could be big thing. But
Mm.
audio video is very natural thing, right?
Yeah.
You are doing an audio video, no one trained you for this, right? Because we,
Right.
from the childhood, the first thing we start is we start speaking, we start
Mm.
expressing ourselves.
Mm.
This is natural to us,
Mhm.
and the natural mediums are the best way to have great conversations and discussions, right?
Right.
And there was no destination for discussions on online. So we made a live discussion network where you could come and have discussions within closed groups or clubs, or open discussions in the rooms around topics of interest with people you already know, or random people that you meet on the platform, either on audio or video. Choice is yours.
That's
And
interesting.
Android and iOS,
Yes.
or non-recorded and recorded, both are available for you. So you get to choose what you want. You get to enjoy that conversation in the format that you like.
And it really answers, because a lot of my friends and cousins would always say, we go to work, we come back, we're just meeting the same people. Where do we meet the like minded people? So I think this really
Correct.
addresses that problem, which I know so many people face.
So you are my customer. I'm willing for you.
Yes, yes, totally. So my next question is that the audio sector has really grown in the last few months or year. I mean, we all go to work listening to podcasts now instead of just music. So what are your
Mhm.
views on that, on the growth of the audio sector?
So I think if you really understand from a very fundamental basis, right?
Mhm.
Text is linear,
Yeah.
or audio is two-dimensional, and video is three-dimensional. This is how it is, right? And this is
Mhm.
about, in a technical terms, I would say the bandwidth of information consumption at the human level. So when
Mhm.
you're reading text within the same amount of time, you are able to consume very little.
Mhm.
When you are listening to it, you are able to consume exponentially larger,
Mhm.
right? And when you're really, the way we are doing this to right now, I can really change the tone of my conversation, the way I behave, just looking at the way your body language is telling me, right?
Yeah.
So this is the difference between three mediums that you use to have conversation, right? And
Yeah.
text is great for transactional needs. You can
Mm.
quickly just say, oh, I'm here, please come here, or
Mm.
get this done, this is a forward kind stuff. Audio is great when you have some leisure and you can't really focus on things, but on the background you just want to keep consuming information in a semi passive space, and you feel that you would want to add value and not just pure leisure that way. And video is amazing if you really want to build connections. So depending on where you are, how much time you have, what you need at that point of time,
Mm.
either you need information, or you need transaction, or you need empathy, all three are possible through these three mediums.
Right, right. It's interesting. So, what should a first time user who's fond of audio and conversation and meeting new people expect from Leher app?
So the first thing that they should think about is be open-minded
Mm.
when they join this revolution called Leher.
Mm.
Uh, Try to figure out what are their interests.
Mm.
Um, Try to find people who are already on the platform, or even better, get some of the people that you already know who care about the same things for serendipitous conversations. Because
Mm.
once you create a club, belong to a club, any conversation that you start within a club will get notified to everyone else. So it is not like every time I want to talk to someone, I have to call five people or message five people and bring
Ah,
them. I just
yeah.
put out a topic saying, okay, look, I'm starting a room. Anyone who's free, who
Mm.
also is in this club, come join me. Or
Mm.
publicly, I start a room. Whoever is free, if there are great people, let's talk about this topic.
Mm.
So it actually liberates you, and gives you an opportunity. When you're getting bored, can you make use of that time to have meaningful conversation? Because we have had too much consumption, right? So we went
Yeah.
from an information deficient society to
Mhm.
information overload society, right? So today we are like, our heads is exploding with
Yes.
information, right? So what we could solve this with is like light conversation, deep conversations around topics of interest. So when you come to Leher, come with an open mind,
Mm.
find out topics of your interest, jump into some of the conversations, listen to it. So either you will see some of them upcoming,
Mm.
some of them live it right now,
Mm.
or you join some clubs where these conversation are happening audio, some public are happening video. So you get this variety, you go experience it for some time,
Mm.
and then invite people that you think you can get started with, or belong to a club, and enjoy the experience, right? And there is something or other happening every day, every night you can actually participate there. If you don't see a club that interests you, go ahead, start one. So we
Mm.
are inviting people to start clubs, and if yours is very unique, distinctive, you already have people who are craving for conversation, we will get you started.
That's nice. That's really nice. So Leher started in 2018 to now. What evolution have you noticed in your startup and in the market?
That's a big question,
Mhm.
actually saying. We have gone through very highs and lows,
Yes.
disappointments and excitements. right from starting it as a more of an opinion sharing app
Mhm.
to a live video discussion to a live discussion per se in clubs. All these evolutions have happened. We have also seen people being skeptical about having a place where you could just talk. Why should I listen to someone? Why should I talk to a stranger? To today, wow, I found someone interesting here. So there is always a time for everything, and we think the time is here. This decade is about great discussions and conversations. Audio or video, both are a medium. Audio is easier to get started with, and transition, and you would transition to video on need basis when you really want to see someone. You need a human connect or empathy. And what happens with after I had even, and this is a real behavior, even if I had a call with few times with a stranger, unless I see him, I don't get the quality of trust. When I'm seeing you right now,
Yeah.
I'm delighted. I know what I at least feel I know what's going through your mind, and
Yes.
I know you much better. So
Yeah.
this choice is with the user. So you
Mm.
have this thing going with you, and you're going to have a great time. Just be open minded, and let's build this together
Mm.
from India for the world.
Yes. Right. I like that. From India for the world. Vocal for local. Very nice. So, how was the process of building this app and what are the learnings you took back?
So I think there are tremendous amount of learnings, right? So no matter even if you have done a one startup, right, there are just too many mistakes which are
Yes.
still pending, or too many mistakes you will repeat because you have taken a decade to build that, and you have
Mm.
seen some of this very early in the life. And world
Mm.
changes, people change,
Yeah.
needs change, right? So
Mm.
even the same thing could be a mistake right now,
Right.
right? Something that worked to you again. So there are people mistakes that you make, you learn from
Mm.
that. There is a perception mistake, the way world has evolved right now. uh, when I started my first startup doing a startup was not a cool thing to do. It was
Mm.
absolutely stupid. To today, where startup is at the edge of progress, at the edge of development, this is the cutting
Yeah.
edge. If you have to be really part of something exciting, you be part of a startup.
Mm.
It's, the world has really changed. So through this period, I've learned more about people, I've learned more about timing, learned more about market. This entire space of audio, video, social networks on mobile was fundamentally new for me.
Mm.
And this actually helped me learn a lot about those things. And we would really want to continue the learning. We learn from our users, we learn from people who criticize us, people who
Mm.
give us feedbacks, people who love us. Everywhere there is a learning. It's
Yes.
just that we have to be open minded. We will make mistakes. We should be able to acknowledge those mistakes and move on.
True, true. And for you, moving on from your first startup to now, how have you as an entrepreneur evolved and changed? What changes have you noticed in yourself?
That's a hard thing to answer because you do not proactively keep thinking about that.
Yes.
um, I think I've had more understanding of the pain that we go through
Yeah.
because I've gone through once.
Mm.
uh, it doesn't mean it reduces, right?
Yeah.
A startup or entrepreneur journey is very painful, very painful, because even a smallest comment hurts you,
Yeah.
because you take everything personally, right?
Yeah.
So there is this book I read for myself called Karma Yoga. You can see it here, that I've kept,
Karm
uh,
yoga. Okay.
right?
Okay. I'm going to start
So
because I was thinking which book should I read next.
it's
So
a very
yeah.
thin book. It's from
Yeah.
Swami Vivekananda. I
Uh,
don't think everyone gets this. It's a little evolved book from the perspective, but it talks about unattachment to work. See, you work for the sake of work. You do not get attached to the results,
as
right?
a
And that's where
founder,
major.
is it possible? I mean, I'm an employee and it's not possible for me, but is it
No, it's
possible?
that's the reason I keep reading this again and again. But the
Right.
idea is fundamentally saying that the results is not uh, is not the reason you should be doing certain things. Results are not in your hand. Efforts are.
Yeah.
Do the best you can. Keep doing the best. Don't get disheartened. Don't get go and get both on the side. Neither the appreciation should be taken to heart too much, nor the criticism should be taken to the heart too much.
Yes.
Just think about the purpose that you are doing, right? And just follow that purpose and deliver to that, right? And that is very important as an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, the learning at the second time entrepreneur is, uh, world change a lot. You have to adapt to that. A lot of your previous learnings may not fundamentally be at the same place. People change a lot with different generations. You learn about them, and try to make newer mistakes and not the same mistakes. I have made a lot of the same mistakes, by the way.
Mm.
uh, every day, and it's also very hard to change yourself. One of the
Yeah.
most important learning that I have learned
Yes.
about is that change, it's easier to say everyone else to change. It's
Hmm.
much harder to change yourself, even when you want to.
Yes.
It's not that you don't want to, but what happens is you wake up in the morning, you follow the routine for 7 days. Sunday comes in, you sleep off extra, then routine goes for a routine goes for a toss, right? So
Right.
no matter that 21-day principle, etc., I tried, nothing worked.
Uh,
So I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to become a better person, how to become a better entrepreneur, and I'm still on that journey. So as a second time entrepreneur, I'm taking newer learnings. I'm trying
Mm,
to make lesser mistakes and trying to get better at things. I think I'm still bad at a lot of things.
mm.
Uh, and many a time specifically, I'm as an entrepreneur, you're a little hard-headed, right?
Yeah.
So you think this is it, how it is. And one of the most important learning that something someone recently also told me is, look, you have so much great content in you. Why don't you put it out?
Yeah.
As an entrepreneur, I think this is common sense. Everyone should know. I'm not I'm not talking rocket science and equations. I'm saying, look, this is what you need. You need to belong. You need to have conversation. You didn't have a flat. Your social networks were not social networks. They were social media. People don't get it. And then they say, this is the first time we are hearing
Yes.
this. So I decided to change that, and I'm taking help from amazing people like you to make that
Oh,
happen.
thank you. I so relate to what you're saying because change and trying to be a better person is something we all try and work on in small segments. I was reading a lot about this book called Autobiography of a Yogi, and I've been trying to follow the Ayurvedic way of life. But to follow it in my head and to follow it in reality quite changes. So
It took me three years to complete that book.
it is a very heavy book. And I'm very
Right?
slowly reading it. Yeah.
Only when I got caught with COVID is I get the courage to read this. Finally, this is something that can relieve me, because
Yeah.
COVID was painful. COVID was very, very painful that
Yes.
way, right?
True,
So,
true, true.
but it was a great book. It was an amazing book, and maybe we can have this discussion later. So
Yes.
while I was going through that, I was reading this book, and I was also spending a lot of time on quantum physics,
Oh,
and you will be amazed at the commonality between both of them.
oh. Okay, because I
Yes.
haven't really read much on that. I would now,
Yeah.
yes.
No, I was actually there are some videos. Even I think Amazon Prime has one on quantum physics,
Yes, it does.
right?
People are talking about it, but I haven't yet watched it. Yes.
Yeah. So, but suddenly I was able to connect, saying, "Oh, quantum physics and philosophy of life is same." So,
Yeah.
yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing the way it is. Right? It's quite amazing. You should definitely check that out.
I will definitely. It's been wonderful talking to you, and I think I've enjoyed this conversation a lot. But this brings me to my last question. What are your future plans for the Leher app?
So, Leher, I belong is an app that that's not just built by me. I
Hmm.
believe I want to build this with the larger um, ecosystem of India. I want to build with public. I want to attempt the hardest thing that exists for us, the glass ceiling that we have no consumer global app from India,
Hmm.
right? And I don't believe I can do this alone. I
Hmm.
need you in this journey. I need everyone from my ecosystem in this journey. I want everyone to help us become better. Not and don't use us because we are just Indian app. Use us because we are the best app,
Yes.
right? So and that for that I need everyone along. I want to make this happen. So Leher has a long journey ahead. We don't know the outcome. We don't know how we'll control it. And as Karma Yoga said, let's not worry about the results at this point
Yes.
in time. Let's get the best people along. Let's give our best shot, and score will take care of itself.
True.
So let's build Leher as a destination for conversations, discussions, finding great people, and make it a place that you would love to go whenever you want to take a break. You would love to go whenever you're getting bored. and find amazing conversations to be part of.
Great, great, great. So thank you very much for your time. And this is to having great conversations on the app. And I really appreciate your addressing the NBB audience. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having me. I hope audience was able to take some value out of this,
I'm
and
sure.
I will see you guys all on Leher. Ping me. I am on Leher at Vikas. Most probably, you'll get a DM from me when you land on Leher app, and I'm also available on all social network. Just search my full name, and pretty much all those handles are mine.
Great. Thank you so much.